Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a cool fast forward motion effect in Camtasia. Okay, so I created this video for Arit to showcase her design skills. We want to let people know that she can do graphic design, so I've been making these kinds of fast forward motion videos that she can share on her Instagram and Facebook and LinkedIn. So this is the video right here, and this was her designing a thumbnail for another channel that was going to interview us. So we were going to be a guest on the show, and this is a YouTube thumbnail that she's designing in Photoshop. Alright, so that was about 1 minute and 20 seconds long, and as you can see, it was a fast forward motion of Arit designing that thumbnail. Now, the original footage was really long. It was over 20 minutes something long. And so this style of video is really cool if you're wanting to show the process, the making of, if you're doing a drawing, painting, building something, this is a cool way to do it. So the first thing that we did here on the timeline was grab the actual screencast video. So while Arit was designing, she was recording herself on the screencast recording through Camtasia. Now, like I said, the video was about 20 minutes long, and I didn't cut anything out. I didn't cut anything out from the middle. I basically only cut out a little bit from the beginning to show, well, like exactly where she started, because in the beginning she was kind of just setting up for a couple seconds. But basically from there till the end, nothing has been cut out. Now it's up to you if you want to cut things out, but once you have your actual footage, you place it on the timeline, and this is what it looks like right here, and you want to add clip speed to it. So if you right click on your media, you're going to see, right now it says remove clip speed, but it will say something like add clip speed. And I will pull out one video over here and just show you a quick second. So I'll just scroll over a bit, and then if you right click on it, when it does not have it, it will say add clip speed. Now I will click on this, and then it added the clip speed, but you need to change it up or down. So right now it says clip speed 1.00 times, meaning that's the original speed time. So 1.00 is the actual speed time, and it will show you the duration of the video. So it says 20 minutes, 5 seconds. Now to speed it up, you need to change this number and you need to go higher. So the number needs to be larger. If you want to slow it down, then you need to go lower. But for this video, we want to speed it up. So if I speed this video, let's just do a small example, 2 times. And you want to make sure that you still have the period there. So it's 2.00. And you can either click enter or click on the side. It will now say that the video is 10 minutes and 2 seconds. Before it was 20 minutes. Now, to get this video down to 1 minute, we actually sped it up 21.05 times, and to get it to under the 1 minute mark. So this was at 56 seconds. So I was playing around and, making the number go higher and higher until we got it to around the 1-2 minute mark. And then I was just seeing like, okay, do we need it to go faster? And we actually needed it to be under a minute so that we could place it on certain stories, like on Facebook or Instagram. It needed to be under 1 minute. And because, designing was more of a slower process, when you really speed it up, it does look cool. So I'm going to erase that. That's how you add clip speed. And you just want to keep adding it until you're satisfied with the time. Now, if you are fast forwarding something with like someone speaking, it's going to fast forward that as well. A lot of people ask like, oh, can I change the speed of the clip but keep the sound the same? If it's one clip together, then no, you're not going to keep the sound the same. You can if you separate the video and the audio, but then it's not going to match. So if you have like some speaking thing happening and you fast forward the people, the voice is going to stay the same, and then the actual video will be fast forward. If you want that kind of an effect, then yeah, you can do that. But in general, if you're adding the clip speed on the video with audio sound, it's going to fast forward the whole thing. So keep that in mind. In this case, I didn't need the sound because I'm going to be adding music, and you'll see that I did add music to it. So I'm just going to delete this and we'll go back over here. So this is what it looks like right here, nice and simple. This is the majority of the video, 21 times we've sped it up. And then I've also added a copyright-free song from YouTube here to jazz it up, because if I didn't have this, then it would just be silent and it wouldn't be as exciting. So that's why we chose like a fun song to go along with it. And then this part right here, this is just adding like kind of like a watermark. We're just adding a little thing here that says, designed by Arit Esselin, so that people know that it's designed by her. That's the whole point of this video, was to show people that she does design work. So we want people to, if they want to contact her, they have their Instagram right there and they can message her. At the end of the video, I do a little whip transition here. You can see it's kind of going into it. And then I have the actual YouTube thumbnail image right here so that people can see, okay, this is the final video. This is the final image that was created through this whole process. So that's how you create a cool fast forward video featuring your work. We're going to be doing more videos like this so that we can let people know that Arit does graphic design, and she's going to be posting it on her Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Interestingly enough, she posted this on her LinkedIn and she actually got 2 inquiries from total strangers messaging her inquiring about getting some graphic work design done. So don't be afraid to put out your work and show what you can do. If you like these kinds of videos and you want to learn how to use Camtasia in depth, I have a 9+ hour course that you guys can get access to 2 months free. You guys can get access to that course in the link in the description down below. Like I said, it's 9+ hours long and it's got a whole bunch of tutorials, and if you really want to fast track your learning, I highly recommend going through that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.